Welcome to another episode of ANOUAR. Today I'm going to show you how to loosen an old PVC connection. We have a toilet drain here and a piece of PVC has broken off in it and I want to remove it so that I can just make a new connection. Otherwise I have to demolish the entire T-piece and I don't want that, and it just costs a lot. So now I'm just going to show you how to do that very simply. But before you do it, make sure the room you are in is well ventilated and that you have protection on, so let's get going. First I need a gas bottle, and this contains the old PVC, and I will just burn it loose. And the intention is, of course, and the art is, that you do not make the PVC too hot. That you do not make the PVC black, but what is it, you just let it warm up nicely. So that the plasticizers come loose or separate, and then you can loosen the PVC. You can also do with the hair dryer, but I don't always have a hair dryer with me, so I just have a gas bottle with me and I'm going to participate in it.
No.
I'm going to heat it up right now.
Yo.
The art, of course, is not too hot. And so I want to take the inside out, so I warm it up. Suggest that I want to take the outside off, then you can make the outside warm up.
Yo.
It still has the old white PVC in it. We'll see if the PVC is already a bit warm. Look guys, he's already starting to come loose. It should be slightly warmer at the top. I need to make the PVC a little warmer. PVC has memory molecules. When I heat it, then it goes back to its original shape.
Gel.
Look guys, look guys. Look how easy this is. It's not all that hard, as long as you know how to do it. Guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe on my channel and you will learn a lot. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.